Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up a clothing store on Shopify in 2023. So starting a clothing store is an exciting venture, and with Shopify, you can easily bring your vision to life. So of course, in this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to set up a clothing store on Shopify in 2023. From creating your store to managing inventory and launching your products, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type shopify.com and hit the enter button. That will normally take you to the home screen or main screen right away. So of course, if you don't know nothing about Shopify, you can scroll down and read more information about it, so you'll have an idea about it or familiarize yourself with it with some videos on YouTube if you want to. And of course, if you have an account, you can simply click on login and log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on start free trial, or simply enter your email address here and start a free trial. Your free trial will not require from you any card, any bank card or something like that, so don't worry. And of course, after the free trial ends, you'll have to go and pay one of their plans. But of course, they offer an option of paying just $1 for the 3 months. Then you'll have to go and pay one of their plans from here. So for me, I'm just going to log in into my account as an example, and here we can simply go and click on create another store or a new store. So simply we'll have to go and answer this small survey. So simply I'm just starting, let's just say as an example, I'm just starting. Would like to create an online store. Of course, you can even add whatever you want from more than online store. So what we are going to use that one, which is a clothing store. So clothing store, as you can see, products I buy or make myself, digital product services, drop shipping, print on demand, or decide later. So it's going to be products I buy or make myself. Click on next. The store name, of course, you'll have to give it. So I'm just going to put it test as an example. I'm just going to put the next, choose this account as an example, and they are building my store at the moment. So simply I'll have to go and wait maybe half of minute, 20 seconds or something like that, and they will finish building my store. It should not take a lot of time, and it will not take a lot of time. So we can wait a bit, and as you can see, they kind of created my account, so it should not take a lot of time again. And as you can see, here is my store, my clothing store. So before everything, I'll have to simply finish the setup guide. You'll have to add my first products, customize my online store, add custom domains, set up a payments provider, and then of course I will have my store ready. So simply I need to go and list my products, and I'm going to be good to go. Of course, I'll be able from this dashboard to see everything I want: home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, and a lot of other stuff. Of course, the online store I'll be able to preview it even from here if I want to. So maybe there is just a problem at the moment. So it's not going to be a big deal. So normally you'll be able to see your store from here as an example. So let's just click on view again. And as you can see, there's our store. So we'll be able to see it. And of course, you can even make changes on it if you want to. So that's going to be basically it. Other than that, of course, you'll be able to do multiple things on Shopify. So you can, as an example, customize your store. You can, of course, explore the various customization option available on Shopify. And of course, you can, as an example, it's important or it's crucial to choose the right theme for your brand example, and make sure to customize the theme appearance and layouts and colors, of course, depending on your needs. Then, of course, you can even show the flexibility Shopify drag and drop editor. And of course, you can, as an example, extend the functionality with apps. So this apps option is very useful on Shopify. Of course, if you click on add apps, as you can see, you'll find the apps that you already have, as an example, in your Shopify store. And of course, if you didn't find the app that you want here, you can simply go and click on find more apps in the Shopify app store. Once you click on it, of course, those are like the plugins that you find on WordPress and a lot of other stuffs. So these apps are just insane. This will help you with kind of everything that you want in your Shopify store. If you didn't trust, of course, you can go and check one of, not just one, a lot of our videos in this channel. You can do a lot of other stuff with Shopify with just the apps. I showed you how to do a lot of stuff with just the app. So simply whatever you have in mind. As example, you want to add like some social icons on your Shopify store. So you'll have to simply go here and type social media as example. Why not? And as you can see, you'll find here social media icons and a lot of other stuff. Let's just choose an example. We want payments as an example, getaway. So as you can see, you'll find a lot of apps that can do that for you. So basically, you don't have to do a lot of stuff by yourself. You can keep it to the app to do it for yourself. You can even use a filter here that has like customized checkout or works with just Shopify posts, and of course you can choose a lot of other stuff. Other than this app, of course, you can, as example, sell in across like channels. There is the power of course of multi-channels, and you can Shopify, of course, you can integrate it with your social media platforms and marketplace. And of course you can even set up and manage your sales and channels like on even like Facebook, Instagram, and Amazon. And of course make sure to go and keep an eye on the marketing of your Shopify store. And of course, your online store will always find this here on this left panel as an example. So whatever you made on changes or whatever you did on your store, you'll be able to preview it from here. So as you can see, if you click on this eye, you'll be able to view your online store. So as an example, this will open a new tab. Here you'll find your store as an example, and you'll be able to see the themes, the blog posts, the pages, the navigation, preferences, and as you can see, you'll be able to customize this. And of course, normally if you have just your free trial, they will ask you to pick a plan. So simply you'll have to go and pick a plan from here. As you can see, you'll be able to add some themes in the theme library, or you can upload your theme as an example if you have it already like downloaded in your PC into your PC. You can connect from GitHub like some themes. You can even visit the theme store as an example. Here you'll find a lot of themes. This could be interesting for you. So make sure to go and choose whatever theme as an example be good for you. Of course, some of them you'll find some free ones. That's definitely sure. As you can see, this is free. This is not free, but normally free ones you'll not find many colors, you'll not find it that interesting. So other themes normally it's gonna be paid, but a lot of them like are pretty good. So make sure to go and see all the themes example from here, or you can even see some collections from here. So here on all themes you'll be able to see all themes, and then you can choose the theme that you like to put it on your store. So as you guys said, there are some good free themes. An example, this is for surfing, this is for, I don't know, you can go and check that by your own. So of course there is some good themes that are free. As you can see, this is for taste and a lot of other stuffs. So you can see there's the pages, navigation, preferences. There's even this point of sale as example. And so let's just wait for the page itself loads. And as you can see, of course, our free trial will end in 4 July. So of course, here you'll have to go and answer some simple questions. Make sure to answer them, not to skip them, because they will help you a lot with the point of sale. And of course, here you'll find a lot of pages this will help you, including home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, and even discounts that you can put on your store. Of course, all of those you'll be able to edit on your store. So that's gonna be basically it. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. Setting up a clothing account or store on Shopify in 2023 is a straightforward process that allows you to showcase and sell your clothing items online, of course. By following these steps, you can create a visually appealing store and organize your products effectively. Set up a payment shipping option and launch your store with confidence. So best of luck with your clothing store venture. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I will see you in the next video.